Hi, friends. Welcome to a super fun game. Today, the magic backpack has a surprise for us. It has hidden animal sounds inside, but oh no, we don't know which animal is making the sound. We need your help to guess. Are you ready? Let's play. Here's the first sound. Which animal says moo? Yes, it's a cow. Say it with me. Cow. Great job. Now listen to this sound. Which animal says? That's right. A dog. Say aloud. Dog. Perfect. The backpack has another sound. Meow, which animal is this? Yes, it's a cat. Say it together. Cat. Wonderful. Here's a tricky one. Wow! Which animal makes that sound? That's right, the lion. Say it with me. Lion. Amazing. Now listen carefully. Which animal says who? Yes, it's an owl. Say it. Owl. Fantastic. The backpack has another sound. Which animal is this? That's right, a duck. Say it with me. Duck. Great job. Next sound is... Which animal makes that sound? Yes, a horse. Say it together. Horse. Awesome. And now... Which animal is that? Yes. The elephant. Say it loud. Elephant. Wonderful. Wow. Friends, we guessed all the animals together. Let's say them one more time. Cow, dog, cat, lion, owl, duck, horse, and elephant. You are amazing animal detectives. Also, which animal sound was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more fun learning adventures. Bye-bye.